Coming up on the Sold Into Purpose podcast, we're going from the prison to the palace. Minister Stacy-Ann Garvey has a powerful story that she will share with us. Take a look.
I had gotten in some trouble with the law. I had done 89 abortions. I had been an alcoholic. I was a drug addict. My soul was imprisoned from an early age because of my mindset versus what Christ said about me.
What does purpose mean to you?
Purpose is really fulfilling God's will over my life, your life, and what He has called us to do, regardless of how it looks.
Say, I will, Lord, I will obey you. Come on, is that your cry?
SIP, Soul Into Purpose. Purpose conversations, greater motivation. It's time to heal the nation.